As you probably know by now, being convicted of a DUI in Florida can be both embarrassing and expensive. If you're like most of the thousands of people we help, you simply want to do your time, pay your fines, get your driver's license reinstated, and just move on with your life. So what are the steps you need to take to get your driver's license back and in good standing? Well, the first piece of advice I want to give you is not to overcomplicate these things. The process is relatively simple as long as you work with an agency that specializes in these types of issues. So step number 1, enroll and complete the curriculum at a DUI school. A simple Google search for DUI schools will show the options closest to you. You will need to attend class and graduate before moving on to the next step. Step 2, a DUI conviction in the state of Florida will require you to get a Florida FR44 policy. While this isn't insurance in itself, it's proof that you're carrying the required liability limits. The limits that must be carried are 100, 300, 50. That means $100,000 for a single injury to a person, $300,000 for a single injury to multiple people, and $50,000 if you were to damage any property. Make sure you contact a reputable insurance agency that specializes in FR44 policies to ensure your paperwork gets filed quickly and correctly. If your paperwork is not filed correctly, you could incur additional fines, penalties, and incur a longer suspension. The agency should be able to electronically file your FR44 certificate immediately with the Florida DMV. Step number 3, if you're required to have an ignition interlock device installed, you will need to have the installation completed before your driver's license will be reinstated. You will also need to purchase and show proof of a Florida FR44 before the ignition interlock facility will perform the installation. If you do not own a vehicle, you can get permission from the owner and have the device installed in their car. Step number 4, physically go to the Department of Motor Vehicles with your FR44 certificate. If you are required to have an ignition interlock device installed, you must also bring proof that the installation was completed by a licensed facility. Make sure you have money available to pay any fines imposed during your conviction. The DMV will tell you how much you owe. Step number 5, your driver's license will be reinstated on the spot. While it really is that easy, there are some things you need to know. 1, a Florida FR44 will be needed for a period of 3 years from your date of conviction. This does not mean the date that the DUI happened, but rather the actual date you were formally convicted. If you do not maintain your FR44, the insurance company will notify the state of Florida that you're no longer carrying an FR44, and the state will suspend your driving privileges immediately. This will add 3 additional years to your FR44 requirement. So to recap, 1, attend all required classroom courses. 2, obtain a Florida FR44 policy and certificate. 3, if an ignition interlock device is needed, get it installed. 4, go to the DMV with your FR44 certificate and bring money to pay any fines. 5, get your driver's license reinstated. Here at FR44 and SR22 Experts, we've helped tens of thousands of Floridians get their licenses back. In under 10 minutes, we'll shop prices from multiple insurance companies, we'll provide you with the lowest cost plan with an A-rated carrier, and we'll have your FR44 certificate filed with the Florida DMV electronically. If you have additional questions, or if you need quotes for FR44 insurance, feel free to call us at 1-855-678-6977. You can also visit our website at www.myfloridafr44.com. Thank you.